If you're looking for ways to make money online, then you've come to the right place. In this video, you'll discover the top 5 ways anybody can generate income online. One of the great things about the internet is that you can go into business for yourself from the comfort of your home. All you need is an internet connection, and you can make money online. Diving into the online world will free you from the daily 9-to-5 grind of a desk job and afford you more time to travel, indulge in hobbies, and spend time with the family. Here are a mix of tried and true online ventures, as well as new businesses and niches. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. You may already know that affiliate marketing is one of the oldest online moneymakers out there. Here's how it works. Affiliate marketing is one of the fastest and easiest ways to start an online business because all you have to do is promote the products. You don't have to worry about creating products, setting up payment and delivery systems, or handle customer support. You just simply drive the traffic and get them to click over to the companies you are promoting as an affiliate, and if a sale is made, you get a commission for referring that sale. Number 2. Blogging. Old-fashioned blogging is alive and thriving. If you provide valuable content on a regular basis, you attract like-minded people interested in your niche information and products. Your readers are compelled to keep reading to find out more and buy. There are many ways you can monetize a blog and the traffic you get to it. You can promote products as an affiliate, promote your own products and services, and have ads on your blog as well. Number 3. Your own YouTube channel. Top YouTubers can make millions each year, and that includes 5-year-olds. Take PewDiePie, who has made more than $15 million filming himself playing video games. But you don't need millions of viewers to make money on YouTube. Some ideas for valuable videos include how-tos such as recipes, unboxing food and travel reviews, music videos, comedy skits, and so on. One other thing to mention, you don't have to get in front of a camera to make money with YouTube videos. Many of the most successful YouTube channels are screen capture videos with tutorials of software or videos where you are seeing someone do something or do a voiceover, never having to actually appear on camera. Number 4. Become an influencer. Building a personal brand can also help you make money online. Did you know soccer star Cristiano Ronaldo charges between $880,259 and $1 million on average for a sponsored Instagram post? While it may seem like reality stars, singers, and athletes are the biggest influencers, keep in mind that even smaller-scale influencers can make more money today than they did a few years back. To become an influencer, you need to build a healthy following. The best platforms to get started on? Instagram and TikTok. Some of the biggest non-celebrity influencers often gained their first taste of exposure on these platforms. To make money as an influencer, you can charge for sponsored posts, create your own online store and sell products, add affiliate links in your bio, sell your photos, sell ads on your own podcast, make and sell merch, get paid to appear at events, and more. Number 5. Consider freelancing. The easiest way to make money online is to take your current job in your 9-to-5 role and do it online instead. For example, if you're a writer, administrative assistant, graphic designer, teacher, developer, etc., you can market these skills and find clients online who are willing to pay you to apply them. There's a never-ending list of job platforms for each type of freelancer too. For example, freelance writers can apply for jobs on specific online writing job boards, but also on general freelance websites like Fiverr, Freelancer, Upwork, and all the others. If you find that your skills can't be directly used to create income streams, you can try monetizing other transferable skills you may have. To make money online as a freelancer, you need to start by building out a strong portfolio. That may mean doing some free work with some reputable mid-tier brands to start. Once you create a strong portfolio, you can reach out to potential big clients to earn more money online. Remember, freelancing is a numbers game. The more personalized emails and applications you fill out, the more likely you'll be to get a response back.